Hey, this is Dr. Debbie Reynolds, the Simply Southern Vet. I wanted to inform you about rabies vaccines. So wherever you live, your county will have a law about what is legal in your area. Most places it's every 3 years. In our county, Weakley County, Tennessee, there is not a law. So it means that we subscribe to the state law, which is in Tennessee every 3 years. However, I want you to be aware that many vets are giving rabies vaccines every 1 year, even though they could be giving it every 3 years. Also, even more surprising, it is the exact same shot. The exact same thing in the syringe, the rabies vaccine, can be a 1 year or a 3 year. It only depends on paperwork. So, for example, around my county, I do a 3 year. A lot of vets do a 1 year. It's the exact same vaccine. What's the difference? These tags. So I have a stack of 1 year and a stack of 3 year. The 1 year is for puppies. The 3 year is for adults. So this big one here, the 1 year, is given to us by the Weakley County Health Department for free. That's just what's normally done. So when I went to all the trouble, and believe me, it was a lot of trouble. I had to hire an attorney. I had to research the law that nobody knew what it was because it doesn't exist. And then I had to figure out how can I do 3 year, and really what it ended up boiling down to was buying this tag. I give the same shot, I just give this tag. So we figured out how to get tags. It was not very hard. You basically order them online, and you order a set of 3 year tags, and then after the dog is of the appropriate age, about age 2, you start doing it every 3 years. That is what law requires. And rabies is a little bit different from the other vaccines because it is associated with a public health risk. And every month I have to turn into the Weakley County Health Department all of the rabies vaccines that I've given to every dog with all the information. So it is highly regulated. What it really boils down to is putting my patients over my profit, doing the research, buying this little metal tag. So I want you to remember, you are the dog mom, you are the dog dad, you do what's best for your pet, and ask them what the law is in your county or state, and if you can have a 3 year vaccine. And if they say no, ask why not.